Okay, who in this house wants to go for a car ride?
Couple. Woohoo! Woohoo!
¡Vámonos, Sofía! ¡Ya vámonos!
Preventing a war from happening has never been an easy task. Thanks so much. Hey lady, I want to go this way.
No, that's not nice. And if you get hit, you kind of stop kicking him. Look at, he has nowhere to go.
Toto, vení. No. ¿De verdad?
A warrior is riding his horse after a fight.
Oliver. Ali.
Кто это? Кто это? Юта! Милота какая! Юта!
Even the dog's grin had a welcome mat. Who needs words when a pup's smile can speak volumes about everything? Bet nobody ordered this girl to show up daily to greet her owner. It's all love, making it a
Allah ka wajen kai tsalle ba za ka ko kai don ka
on social media versus in real life.
I bet you won't run up. I bet you won't run up. I bet you that. I bet you that. About mine. About my.
Behind a glass screen, anyone can become the most powerful hero.
Oh my. Did you get him? Oh, good girl.
Once again, you will definitely know what a devil's like.
I think I like this little eye. You scared. I think I like this little eye.
Look on the ground. On the ground. Look.
Los dientitos, papá. Déjese, cabrón. Déjese.
As soon as the person you truly cherish returns, believe me, your cool vibe will be swept away by those emotions. Seeing someone after a long time might be a quick moment, but the impact is no small thing.
The parents have a decent strategy, but their blows it out of the water. He might be a giant, but his heart shrinks to the size of a peanut when he gets jealous. If you want to know what is the most dangerous game, here's the answer.
¿Y esto? ¿Y esto?
Shake. Shake. Pig. Shake.
You got this, Travis. Make him wait for it. Boom.
much.